Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect circle in Photoshop 2024, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly create sharp, clean circles for any project, whether you're designing graphics, editing photos, or crafting digital art. So let's dive right into the process together, step by step. First things first, go ahead and open up Photoshop on your computer. If this is your first time, don't worry, just locate the Photoshop icon and double-click, and the program should launch in just a moment. Once you're in, make sure your workspace is clear and you have either a new blank document or an image already open that you want to add a circle to. Now we're going to use a tool you might not expect, the Pattern Stamp tool. To find it, look over to your Tools panel, usually on the left side of the screen. If you don't see it, it might be tucked under the Clone Stamp tool, so just click and hold that icon for a second and the options will expand. Select Pattern Stamp tool from the list. It looks a bit like a rubber stamp with a pattern behind it. With the Pattern Stamp tool chosen, take your mouse and right-click anywhere on the blank canvas workspace. You'll see a Properties box pop up that lets you customize your brush settings. This step is important because it's where you adjust exactly how your circle is going to look. You'll notice a slider for size. This determines the diameter of your circle. If you want a small dot, drag the slider down. If you're aiming for a bigger circle, move it up. Take a second here to think about how your circle will fit into your design. For example, if you're creating a logo and need precision, measure beforehand or just experiment until it feels right. Just beneath the size setting, look for hardness. Set this value to 100%. What this does is ensure that your circle has crisp, clean edges rather than a fuzzy or blurred halo. Think of it like switching from a soft, smudged pencil to a bold marker. This gives your circles a professional finish, perfect for overlaying on photos or incorporating into graphic layouts. Once you're ready, simply click anywhere on your canvas. That's it. Photoshop stamps a perfect solid circle exactly where you clicked. You might want to try a few different sizes to get a feel for how it looks. If it doesn't quite fit how you want, no worries, you can right-click again, tweak the size or hardness and stamp a fresh circle. And just to give you options, Photoshop is packed with other tools for drawing circles and shapes. The eraser tool can be handy for adjusting the edges if you want a different effect. The History Brush tool lets you undo only part of your changes, which is super useful for experimenting. And the Brush tool is there if you prefer freehand drawing or applying effects to your circles. Don't hesitate to explore these. Finding your favorite tool is part of the fun and will expand what you can do in your projects. So that's a simple way to make circles in Photoshop 2024, straightforward and effective. Remember, mastering circles is foundational for tons of Photoshop tasks, so now you've got a skill you'll use again and again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you ran into any hiccups or have questions. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical Photoshop guides every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.